Baking Alphabet. In this video, we'll explore the ABCs of baking, one delicious treat at a time. Welcome to Baking Alphabet, where we'll explore the world of baked goods from A to Z. I'm your friendly baking guide, Summer, and we're about to embark on a delicious journey. First up, A stands for apple turnovers. These flaky pastries are filled with spiced apples and wrapped in buttery puff pastry. Perfect for breakfast or dessert. B is for brownies. Rich, chocolatey squares that make everyone smile. Whether you like them fudgy or cakey, brownies are a universal favorite. C is for cupcakes. A mini celebration in every bite. From classic vanilla to red velvet, these little cakes are perfect for parties, or just because. D for donuts. Our letter D treat. Glazed, jelly-filled, or powdered. There's a donut for everyone. And yes, they're totally acceptable for breakfast. E for eclair, the fancier side of baking. These French pastries are light, airy, and oh so delicious. Perfect for impressing your guests. F for fruit tart, a buttery crust filled with pastry cream and topped with fresh fruits. G for gingerbread cookies, spiced and shaped like little people or animals. H for hot cross buns, soft spiced buns with a cross on top, traditionally eaten during Easter. I for ice cream sandwiches, 2 cookies hugging a scoop of ice cream. What's not to love? J for jelly roll, a thin sponge cake rolled up with fruity jam. K for kolachas, sweet or savory Czech pastries filled with fruit, cheese, or sausage. L for lemon bars, tangy lemon filling on a buttery shortbread crust. M for madeleines, delicate shell-shaped sponge cakes. N for Nutella, swirl bread. Nutella goodness twisted into soft bread. O for oatmeal, raisin cookies. Chewy cookies with wholesome oats and plump raisins. P for pecan pie, a southern classic with a gooey pecan filling. Q for quiche, savory custard-filled pie with various fillings. R for raspberry Danish, flaky pastry with raspberry jam and sweet glaze. S for scones, buttery, crumbly, and perfect with tea. T for tiramisu, layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cream. U for upside-down cake, pineapple, apple, or peach, take your pick. V for vanilla bean macarons, elegant French sandwich cookies. W for whoopie pies, soft cookie sandwiches with creamy filling. X for extra chocolate brownies. Okay. You got me. I cheated a little on this one. What is there not to love about extra chocolate brownies? Why, for Yule log, a festive rolled cake resembling a log. Z for zucchini bread, moist and spiced with hidden veggies. Thanks for joining us on this scrumptious alphabet adventure. Remember, whether it's apple turnovers or zucchini bread, baking is all about creativity, joy, and sharing. Until next time, keep those ovens warm and your hearts full.